Can you buy a fresh one?
To say no, sorry.
No?
They just
Sorry.
want to, agree to.
You're not lucky. This is a village in Hunan province, China. Small village in the mountain of Hunan. It's home to a few families. A lucky coincidence brought me close to one of this family, and they invite me to have a cup of tea. Good morning, guys. Today is 2 of January 2021. This is my first video in 2021. For today, I'm gonna show you some beautiful places, like a village I want to mix with the people around in Changsha. Changsha is the capital city of Hunan province. So right now I'm in the Huangshan Square. Again, I'm with James, Bond and Nono.
Hi.
Today, Bond is our travel guide and our driver. Let's go. So I think we are arriving. This family was busy with killing ducks, and they wanted to prepare for Spring Festival. 对，这跟我的朋友。这是呀。I asked if I could buy one, and I will make for our lunch, but he didn't agree. So yeah, when they are cooking, they will use the blood to eat. Other ducks, this kind of duck is really delicious, really. I cook it by myself. Hello. How much is it? I really want to buy.
Really? You want to buy?
Yes.
They don't. You see, normally they don't want to sell this duck. They want to just make it in a traditional way.
Traditional? How?
Preserve it. Maybe they want to prepare for the Chinese Spring Festival. Maybe
so
one
after that, what will they do?
We want to make it. Maybe the many just process will just maybe preserved with the salt. Maybe also just on the sunshine. Maybe just
dry.
Dry.
Really?
Yeah.
But it's really delicious if you cook. I really like to cook. 妈妈讲了很多，没吃的嘛你。买一个，然后我可以做饭。
这老外说的，
非常好吃。Okay, another game. This one you have to control, right? Okay. Okay, let me show you the kitchen of the local people. This is for This is your kitchen.
你看我们的腌肉，你看哦。
这是什么？
腌肉、炕肉、
炕
鱼。
哦，很多肉。
你拍照噻。
It's like a fish, maybe some.
She said you can take picture.
This is the fish.
You see, the first just a roasted.
Yes,
The
roasted.
second just hang it dry out.
The first dry out.
Dry out.
Okay.
首先是这样。First this one roast. Second just hang on this. Just hang
like a dry
it.
And then cook it. Okay, she cooked it for us, some egg and some vegetable. Okay, here we are starting the lunch with. This is noodle actually.
Good, happy day. It's a wonderful day. Happy New Year, everyone. 我发了朋友圈，我说记住。
So guys, the lunch wasn't free. We paid around 30 RMB, which is almost $5, something like this.
可惜他女儿早就已经叫你。
So
我留下来种
after
田，帮你们打下
they
手。
served us a
我可以
tea.
做苦力，我可以门牌号，他那有门牌号。
Okay.
你看一下，我就随便定位了一个。It's good. Cheers. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Maybe we should wait for the taste. The taste looks like a vegetable. 我有一个问题，我知道他现在没有工作，但是以前你的工作是什么？
Build a house, build Yeah, the house. Yeah.
After having a cup of tea, we sat down on the table and we started with the conversation.
师叔啊，师叔，他有个问题问你，就是你对这种，就是对我们这种下一代的少年、年轻人有什么建议？
年轻人呐，
对，
年轻人，我觉得你们就是发奋读书的时候发奋读书，工作的时候发奋工作。
When you study, study hard. When you're working, working hard. One more for here.
Wow.
喂，
this is for you.
没事。
Talent balance.
Balance. And you should take hand like this.
Woo!
我给你拍的这两张都好嘞，拍照还是要有那个的，
有技术是吧？
因为审美嘛。
Because you work very hard, and so they serve you fruit. This is a fruit.
Yeah. This is reward for just
I know in Orange Island there's so many of this, but it's a little bit sweet. But I'm not sure this one is sweet or not. I hope it should be sour. Sour, right? Okay, another job in the village for experience of today. This is my job. Shukwe. Spare one day. Hey, I'll be a good husband for the family.
They have 2 girls already married.
They are already married?
Yes.
So forget it. Bye bye.
那里很生态。
Today was a wonderful experience for us and for me, actually. Right now we are searching for a place for making a coffee.
That's a wonderful place. There are gooks, ducks, and river here.
Okay, let's see there.
Wonderful.
Over there. No, found this place. We're gonna make coffee. Oh,
The goose looks beautiful.
Hey! Changsha is amazing! Welcome to join us!
no.
Hey, goose! Come to my kitchen!
Okay, this is the end of video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give me thumb up and see you next time.
Sum up! Wow,
Bye-bye.
wonderful day! Fantastic day, amazing day.
I found this. It's safe. Maybe from Qing Dynasty.
Qing Dynasty.
I will wash by myself. It's safe.